Well, first of all, welcome to Luxembourg. My name is Latif Ladid. I'm the founder and the president of the IPv6 Forum. The IPv6 Forum is a worldwide organization in order to enable the deployment of IPv6 on a worldwide basis. The current internet works with the IPv4 protocol, which has something like 4.3 billion IP addresses. We have consumed all of them basically back in 2011. So we have been working in the last almost 20 years in order to design and update the Internet protocol. So in the meantime, we have IPv6, Internet Protocol version 6, that will give us enough address space for decades to come. And that will enable the sustainability of the Internet that can still grow with the current applications, but also will enable new applications like Internet of Things and smart grid and all kind of new things that we are today working on based on the current Internet, but they will not scale in the same way as it should be with an Internet that has kind of end-to-end concept or end-to-end model.
Yeah. Now we're here in Luxembourg, and Luxembourg presents itself as one of the forerunners in IT, a great place to invest in IT. How does Luxembourg compare in the adoption of IPv6?
That's a very good question. As a matter of fact, Luxembourg happens to be really a rising star in pioneering and adopting new technologies. This is due to the current, let's say, economic climate that Luxembourg would like to diverse its business and economy. So it's putting a lot of effort in introducing new technologies. And one of them is IPv6, in order to be the most advanced nation in terms of Internet technologies. So the local prime telecom operator, Post Telecom, has adopted IPv6 2 years ago, and it has something like over 10%, if not 11.5% of the users here in Luxembourg using IPv6, and sometimes not even knowing that they are using it, which puts Luxembourg as the #1 nation in the world in adopting IPv6. But in the meantime, a lot of countries have even overtaken Luxembourg, like Germany with more than 6 million users, and Belgium recently has reached about 2 million. So with 2 million, you have almost 25% V6 adoption in the country. Holland is a little bit behind, but I think it's moving quite well because the current chapter of the V6 Forum in Holland, run by Eric Huize, is doing a very good job, and I think by the end of this year we'll see a movement that will go beyond the 1-2% that they have today.
And how is the adoption in government compared to the companies?
As a matter of fact, this is a very important aspect, and if we take the case of Luxembourg and Holland, the two governments have been promoting IPv6 before even industry thought about it. That's why in Luxembourg, because the government is a partner or a key player in the board of the Post telecom company, so the board members have been promoting how to not only deploy V6 but also have fiber across the country. And the same thing in Holland, so the Dutch government has been promoting V6 for the last 15 years, but industry has to follow, and most probably the investment for the big telecom operator is not a very low one, so they are waiting until the last minute in order to do that.